I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open the rear hatch of the 2006 Honda Odyssey and remove the plastic access panel behind the tail light cluster. Use a flat screwdriver to pry the clips gently. Work in a flat, well-lit area and allow 10 minutes for the whole process so you don't rush and risk breakage. Wear nitrile gloves to keep oils off the bulb and have a replacement 7443 break/stop bulb ready on your workspace, plus a 12V tester or spare socket to confirm the new bulb functions before reassembly. Reach behind the access panel and locate the brake light socket. Press the small tab and rotate the socket counterclockwise, then pull it straight out. Grip the bulb at its plastic base, not the glass, and pull straight to remove. Inspect the 7443 filament for breaks or clouding. If unsure whether it's dead, use a 12V tester or swap briefly with a known good bulb to confirm if the socket or wiring looks corroded. Note that before installing the replacement to avoid repeating the repair. Holding the new 7443 bulb by its base, push it straight into the socket until it seats fully and then rotate the socket clockwise to lock it in place. Reinstall the socket into the tail light housing and snap the plastic access panel back on, ensuring all clips engage, then close the rear hatch. Test the brake lights with a helper pressing the brake pedal or by carefully backing the vehicle near a reflective wall. Verify both brake and tail functions, and you're done. This simple repair typically takes 10.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.